Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Women. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for older women. If you want a stylish look, stylish haircut ideas that is easy to manage and saves time every day, this video is for you. As we get older, many women prefer haircuts that are simple, comfortable and beautiful. A good low maintenance haircut can make you look fresh, confident and elegant without spending a lot of time styling your hair. Let's look at some wonderful haircut ideas. First is the classic pixie cut. This haircut is short, neat and very easy to care for. It dries quickly and needs very little styling. A pixie cut can make your face look brighter and younger. It works well with grey hair, silver or colored hair. Another great option is the layered bob. A bob haircut never goes out of style. Soft layers add movement and volume to the hair. This haircut is preferred for women with fine or thinning hair because it creates a fuller appearance. You can wear it straight or slightly wavy for a natural look. The next haircut is the short layered cut. Layers help add texture and shape. This style looks beautiful on women of all ages and requires very little effort. Simply brush your hair and you are ready to go. A chin length bob is another easy care hairstyle. It frames the face nicely and gives a clean, polished appearance. This haircut is easy to wash, dry and maintain. It is a popular choice for women who want a modern yet stylish simple style. If you like a little more length, consider a shoulder length layered haircut. Soft layers reduce heaviness and make the hair easier to manage. This style looks lovely with natural grey hair and works well for both straight and wavy textures. For women with fine hair, a textured crop can be a wonderful choice. This short haircut adds volume and dimension. Easy to style every day. Dry and silver grey hair look especially beautiful with simplest haircut. Natural grey hair is becoming more popular and many women proudly embrace their silver strands. A well-shaped haircut can enhance the beauty of grey hair and make it shine. When choosing a low maintenance haircut, think about your hair texture, face shape and lifestyle. The best haircut is one that makes you feel comfortable and confident. Talk to your hairstylist about a style that suits your needs and is easy for you maintain at home. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with the beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.